Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to make your travel bucket list explode. We're talking about the absolute best places you need to visit in 2023. I'm talking jaw-dropping views, crazy adventures and experiences you'll never forget. We've got a little something for everyone, whether you're all about soaking up the sun on pristine beaches, exploring ancient ruins, or getting your adrenaline pumping in the great outdoors. And hey, maybe, just maybe, I'll even give you guys a chance to win a trip to one of these incredible places. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for some serious travel inspiration. Let's go! First up, we're heading to Bali, Indonesia, also known as the Island of the Gods. And let me tell you, this place is heavenly. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, stepping out onto your private balcony overlooking rice paddies that seem to stretch forever, and feeling that warm tropical breeze on your skin. That's Bali. We're talking about beaches straight out of a postcard. Think white sand so soft it's like walking on clouds, crystal clear turquoise waters that are perfect for swimming, snorkeling and diving. And the sunsets, oh man, the sunsets in Bali are like nothing you've ever seen, absolutely mind-blowing. But Bali is more than just beaches. This island is bursting with culture. We're talking ancient temples, colorful ceremonies, traditional dances, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. You can explore ancient temples like Uluwatu, perched dramatically on a cliff top, or Tanah Lot, seemingly floating on water during a high tide. And speaking of floating, have you ever seen pictures of those incredible infinity pools overlooking the jungle? Yeah, those are in Bali too. Imagine yourself relaxing in one of those, sipping on a fresh coconut and just soaking in the beauty of this place. And don't even get me started on the food. Bali is a foodie's paradise. From fresh seafood grilled to perfection, to traditional dishes like nasi goreng and baby guling, your taste buds are in for a real treat. Seriously guys, Bali is the full package: stunning beaches, incredible culture, delicious food and adventures around every corner. It's a place that will stay with you long after you leave. Next up, we're hopping over to Kyoto, Japan, a city that's like stepping back in time. If you're fascinated by history, culture and just a touch of magic, Kyoto is calling your name. Imagine strolling through ancient streets, lined with traditional wooden houses, catching a glimpse of a geisha hurrying by in her elaborate kimono, and finding yourself surrounded by 1,000 vibrant red torii gates leading up a wooded mountainside. That's the magic of Kyoto. We're talking about thousands of temples and shrines, each one more beautiful and serene than the last. You can visit Fushimi Inari Shrine with its seemingly endless pathway of red torii gates, or wander through the golden Kinkakuji Temple, its reflection shimmering in a tranquil pond. And the gardens? Oh man, the gardens in Kyoto are on another level. We're talking meticulously designed landscapes with zen gardens, koi ponds, bamboo forests, and delicate bonsai trees. These gardens are like walking into a living, breathing work of art. And no trip to Kyoto would be complete without experiencing a traditional tea ceremony. Imagine yourself sitting in a serene tea room, watching a tea master meticulously prepare matcha, the ancient Japanese green tea with graceful, almost meditative movements. It's a truly unique and unforgettable experience. And for you, foodies out there, Kyoto is a culinary dream come true. From delicate sushi and ramen to traditional Kyoto cuisine like shojin ryori, Buddhist vegetarian cuisine, and kaiseki multi-course haute cuisine, your taste buds will be thanking you. Kyoto is a city that will captivate your senses, soothe your soul, and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer beauty of Santorini, Greece. This island is like a dream come true, with its iconic whitewashed houses perched on volcanic cliffs overlooking the sparkling Aegean Sea. Imagine yourself wandering through narrow cobblestone streets, lined with white houses adorned with vibrant bougainvillea flowers, the scent of fresh ocean air filling your lungs. As you reach the edge of the caldera, you're greeted by the most breathtaking view you've ever seen. The sun setting over the Aegean, painting the sky in 1,000 shades of pink, orange and purple. And those sunsets, let me tell you, they're legendary. Every evening, people gather in Oya, the most picturesque village on the island, to witness this magical spectacle. It's like the whole world stops to watch the sun melt into the sea. But Santorini is more than just a pretty face. You can explore ancient ruins like Akrotiri, a Minoan Bronze Age settlement buried by a volcanic eruption, or relax on the unique beaches with their black, red, or white volcanic sand. And for the adventure seekers, you can hike to the top of the volcano, swim in volcanic hot springs, or even go scuba diving in the crystal clear waters surrounding the island. And the food? Oh, the food. Think fresh seafood, tangy Greek salads, mouth-watering souvlaki, and of course all the delicious feta cheese you can handle. Santorini is a place where you can relax, explore, and create memories that will last a lifetime. It's a destination that will steal your heart and leave you dreaming of returning again and again. Calling all nature lovers and adventure seekers, get ready to experience the raw, untamed beauty of Banff National Park in Canada. We're talking towering mountains, turquoise glacial lakes, and a wilderness that will take your breath away. Imagine yourself surrounded by snow-capped peaks that seem to touch the sky, their reflections shimmering in the pristine waters of Lake Louise. You can hike through alpine meadows carpeted in wildflowers, go kayaking on a glacier-fed lake, or even spot a grizzly bear in the wild, from a safe distance, of course. We're talking about some of the most awe-inspiring scenery you'll ever lay eyes on. You can ride a gondola to the top of Sulphur Mountain for panoramic views of the Rockies, hike to the iconic Moraine Lake with its impossibly blue waters, or take a scenic drive along the Icefields Parkway, one of the most scenic roads in the world. And for the adrenaline junkies out there, Banff has got you covered. You can go whitewater rafting down the rapids, mountain biking through challenging trails, or even try your hand at ice climbing in the winter. And in the winter, Banff transforms into a winter wonderland. Imagine yourself skiing down pristine slopes, surrounded by snow-covered forests, the crisp mountain air filling your lungs. You can go snowboarding, ice skating, snowshoeing, or even try dog sledding. After a day of adventure, imagine yourself cozying up in a rustic lodge, a warm fire crackling in the fireplace, sipping hot chocolate and sharing stories of your day's adventures. Banff is a place where you can reconnect with nature, challenge yourself, and create unforgettable memories. It's a destination that will leave you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and in awe of the power and beauty of the natural world. Last but not least, we're heading to Cape Town, South Africa, a city that's bursting with culture, history, and natural beauty. Imagine yourself surrounded by stunning landscapes, from towering mountains to pristine beaches, with a vibrant city nestled in between. We're talking about iconic landmarks like Table Mountain, which you can hike to the top of, or take a cable car for breathtaking views of the city and coastline. You can explore the colourful Bo-Kaap neighbourhood with its brightly painted houses, or visit Robben Island, the former prison island where Nelson Mandela was held captive. And for you wildlife enthusiasts out there, Cape Town is a dream come true. You can go on a safari to see the Big Five: lions, elephants, rhinos, leopards and buffalo, just a short drive from the city. Or visit Boulders Beach, home to a colony of African penguins. And the beaches? Oh man, the beaches in Cape Town are something else. We're talking about pristine stretches of sand lapped by the Atlantic Ocean, perfect for surfing, sunbathing, or simply soaking up the scenery. And don't even get me started on the food scene in Cape Town. From fresh seafood to traditional South African cuisine like bunny chow, a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry, and boerewors, a type of sausage, your taste buds are in for a treat. Cape Town is a city that has it all: history, culture, adventure, and natural beauty. It's a destination that will leave you feeling inspired, energized, and ready to explore more of this incredible world. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to pack your bags and explore some of the most incredible destinations in the world. Whether you're dreaming of relaxing on a tropical beach, exploring ancient ruins, or adventuring in the great outdoors, there's a destination out there calling your name. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which of these destinations you're most excited to visit. And hey, maybe, just maybe, I'll see one of you lucky subscribers on my next adventure. Until then, keep exploring.